I've been traveling to other cities as well for fundraising, and I have conveyed a message which has been taken very well, that we all need to remain united. If we stand united, we will be able to surmount any challenge that comes our way. So my request to you all would be to do away with your differences. Be Pakistanis, be Pakistani, Canadians, be proud of yourself and stay united. I'm also very happy to note that the good work that Indus Network, Indus Hospitals Network is doing in Pakistan. We have an outbreak of waterborne and vector-borne diseases like diarrhea, hepatitis, malaria, cholera, typhoid, and so on. And this is where we have also made an appeal to our international partners to provide medicines for these diseases. We have a very proud Pakistani in the medical field by the name of Dr. Zulfikar Bhutta. He, on Thursday, will be awarded with one of the highest awards in the field of medicine. It's called the Guymer Award, and it will be held in Toronto. So he has made us all very proud in the field of medicine, and I'm very sure that the doctors of Indus Network would also be following his example and doing good work so that their work will be recognized. As everybody knows, that these floods are unprecedented in our history. In English they say these floods are of biblical proportion, and have no doubt about it, because 33 million people were affected. Rohit Saab was saying that he doesn't know the statistics. I will share the statistics with you, sir, so that all of us know where we stand. 84 districts have been affected, 33 million people, 7.9 million people have been displaced, 600,000 are living in temporary shelters, 1,700 people have lost their lives, 13,000 have been injured. Over 2 million housing units have been damaged or destroyed. More than 13,000 kilometers of roads and 435 bridges have been damaged and destroyed. 1.16 million heads of livestock have been lost. 4.4 million acres of crops have been damaged. 15.4 million people have been pushed into poverty. The economic losses are more than $40 billion and counting. Minister for International Development, who expressed a desire to go to Pakistan, and we at a very short notice arranged a visit of Mr. Sajjan along with members of the Canadian Parliament. Most of them were of Pakistani origin. They went, saw for themselves, and after their initial $5 million assistance, added another $25 million to that. The humanitarian network has raised about $7.5 million, and the Canadian government is matching dollar for dollar. So that amounts to another $15 million. However, this is a drop in the ocean for the requirement, and it is going to be a long haul. The initial waters are receding. The initial relief operations have been put in place, and now it's going to be rehabilitation followed by reconstruction. So I would request all of you to not lose focus. It is not a one-off thing. As we say, it's not a T20 or a one-day, it's a test match. It's going to be a long haul, and I would request you all not to lose focus.